both of them.
We're on it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was just looking up some good things on the Amazon.
It's not time to shop on Amazon.
Alright, sorry about that.
Okay.
Let me go back to what I'm doing now.
Alright, yeah, you have to check the comments.
That's what I'm going to go and do.
Alright. Lord, because then I'll be like an old lady the whole time. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, what do we see? Hola! Espanol and Jamaica. Hi, Drew. Whenever you're ready.
Hi everybody. Oh, shit.
Whenever you're ready. What dirty little ears you have there?
It's not. It's the hairspray. It's the hairspray.
Hold on, you can't start yet. Hold on. Jeez, oh, keys now.
Let me see. Let me see.
It just came out.
Oh.
Lad. Hello. Are you see you can do your show now? You have clean ears. Ready? Ready now? Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Trudy, who has dirty ears.
He's so loud.
Because I took out half the dirt. I made like a spoon out of the straw paper and shoveled out the wax.
The dirt was giving me some preventative from that.
You want to like clog it up then? Clog it up. Take care. Put it in there.
I might eat that.
Well, we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for some build a booty and cavitation.
That is right, that is right. So all y'all out there can continue the bad mind against us.
It was just one lady, you know. It was just one lady.
Well, I hope that one lady watches this show
so she knows where to come and build her own Batty, right? Okay, guys, so today we are at the Life Store. And the Life Store is located, what do we call it? Super Valley Plaza?
Town Center.
So read the comments if we have
any comments. You guys look like twins today.
Oh, that's because we're both dressed in our lovely
Evolve active wear, which we will also give a little talk about later on in the program.
Right.
In the program.
So
today we are building a booty and doing cavitation, and we are at the Life Store that is located on Constant Spring Road inside the Town Center Plaza. We have actually spoken about I can't drink alcohol today because I just did my cavitation and you're not supposed to have alcohol.
No problem.
So anyway, what I was saying, so we've actually talked about the Life Store before, and they've come on to the Tuesdays with Tricky program before, and I don't remember why they came on. What were we doing with them before?
Oh, we did you need this?
No, but you look like you do.
So we came on and Natalie did a test on me. And we were able to tell what I was deficient in, what vitamins I had too much of, what I needed more of, and we did a couple giveaways here as well. And then I got an email with everything, like I was eating too much lettuce, like it was crazy. And she did this detox on me. I can't remember.
And Natalie was also, well, the Life Store. Natalie is a lady from the Life Store. She was also the one who I did my detox with when I had come back from, I think it was Trinidad Carnival, and I did a detox with her.
Does that mean the booty is bootying? Jodi, I think it will bruise if you drink. Okay, I didn't do it, so I'm just gonna drink both. So I'm good.
It was me. I did the build a booty. Guys, I'm trying to work on it because, you know, not everybody can afford a BBL out in these streets, okay?
I'm saving up.
Yeah.
Ola in Jamaica is here, and they're gonna tell me how to Ola all the way to Colombia to get the bato, the booty.
Well, you know, I think that I've been doing this. So today was my third treatment with Natalie from the Life Store, and so what we're doing is we've been working on my back and we've been working on my thighs for the cavitation, and then
steam fish at Okra Body Factory.
pretty much, and then she has this thing called U-Sculpt, and pretty much it like electrocutes your bottom.
Wow.
And it provides like, I think it was something like 5,000 squats in one session.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not even joking. So I mean, I feel like I've seen a difference. I haven't.
So it goes to like a muscular level instead of.
Yeah, like it hurts a little. No,
Have you taken before pictures?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
We did. We took before pictures. And I haven't told Scott that I've been here building a bottom.
I just find that he's going to find out now. I just find that he's so damn nosy. And besides, Tracy, he knows where... I think he has a track on your car. You cannot hide anything from Scott. He's such a know-it-all, nosy bug.
He's so know-it-all and so nosy. And then, like, if I'm on the phone and I'm talking, I swear he'll be like, I'm still on the phone, and Scott is like, and I'm like,
yeah, why do you have the same hairstyle as me?
It's not, you didn't brand this hairstyle though.
Diana Dior says, no man, I sent a part Monday today. I've been wearing this style.
So has Kim Kardashian. I just don't find that you're alone.
But I just find that Kim Kardashian is not sitting beside me discussing how she built her booty.
She actually took out hers. So anyway, and then now
He's on the live.
If I ever do that to Scott, don't you know? If I ever do that
about
to
the
Scott,
machine?
Hmm?
Is that like a M-scope machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it electrocutes the bottom. So anyway, so I've been doing this. I haven't told Scott that I'm doing it, but I bet he comes on the live today.
He's on the live.
Oh, he's here?
He's probably here.
Oh gosh.
So we're going to figure out.
I mean, this is the third time that I've been doing it. This is my third session today. And guys, come on. Do you remember how flat it was?
Okay, so Tracy was like, you know when you go to like the lumber store and you're like, I can't get a 2x4? So no, she looked like, you know when rain fall and hit the wood and it kind of starts to swell? And you don't really have to do anything about it yet. But you know, if in a couple more rains, you have to replace the board. Right.
Let me step on this stool. You're too bad.
Okay.
You're too bad. But I see a little bit of a difference. Today was my third session. I mean, it's obviously not like you have to do a couple
Oh, careful,
sessions.
girl. Woo, but donkey donk. Okay. Okay, so Jolie, today we are at the Life Store here in Town Center on Constant Spring Road. So we're in the Life Store and we're going to talk to you a little bit. We've been here before, but we're going to talk to you a little bit about what I have in my basket here. But Tracy has been here trying to build a bottom. And
And I've also been doing the cavitation on my back. My area is right here. Because I know, and I'm not going to lie, like the cavitation, I've been seeing it like so much. We're gonna put in the before and after pictures because like this is crazy. Like I used to have.
this is crazy or you are crazy? You know that you're perfect, right? But I know how you feel. Cause when you tell me that, alright, you're not so bad. I mean, I was saying.
What did you say?
No.
What did you say word for word? You
I
said,
coughed.
you said I'm perfect.
You look good. You don't need to do anything.
I heard this.
Alright, Tracy. I never say I didn't mean it. I never mean it too much, you know? You're alright. You're good. You get in there. You get in there. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You're growing, you know? You don't need to, but you know, when you have these isms about your body, I understand what it feels like that you want to do something to kind of manage or to help or to boost or, you know. So, you know, we may look and say, oh, Tracy, it looks good. She's not perfect. You know, but you know, whatever makes her feel a little better about herself and boost that confidence.
But I also want to say that like I feel like I'm entering such a good part of my life right now because Stevie is 2.5 and I feel that she can sleep over Nana's, she can sleep over Jodi's. So I'm kind of.
That's not happening again.
What you talking about?
Sorry, Tracy, I won't invite your daughter. You see,
Jodi
Tracy.
can't do that to Stevie. She loves you so much.
Tracy.
Jodi, her eye ended up bleed for her over you.
Tracy.
What?
So Tracy decides we are both invited to a Christmas party, right? And Tracy goes, "Oh, great! You're gonna keep Stevie. She's gonna sleep over with the kids." So I was like, "Oh, okay, all right, cool." So I was like, "All right, if anything, I'll get ready and I'll go to the party after I put the kids to bed." Now Levi and Remy, they do not play. They know I don't play. I'll be like, "Night, guys." And they go to their bed. They don't come out of the bed unless they want to leave, but they don't trouble me, right? Because I'm sleeping in the dragon's lair, right? Anyway, Stevie took forever to go to sleep. He's like, I want you to lie down beside me. I'm like, no, Remy and Levi are there. This time Levi is already asleep. Remy's like, Stevie, you have to be quiet. And Steve's like, come and lie down beside me. I'm like, no, Stevie, I'm not doing that. Anyway, she cried till I thought I was going to call the mother. And I was like, I can't do that. The mother is out having a good time. Fine. So I text Stevie back in my closet and I was doing some work. He wants to see Stevie holding the eyes. The eyes were red, you know. And I was like, Stevie, are you ready to go to bed now? Yeah. So I put her down and I was like, just lie down, Stevie, just lie down and kind of massage her head a little bit and she fell asleep. Well, at 6 o'clock in the morning, all I hear is Remy, no, Stevie, don't go in there.
Into the lion.
into the dragon's lair. So then Stevie busts the door, and so I was like, come and lie down, everybody be quiet. I didn't even bother take off my eye mask, So Stevie's beside me breathing her little stinky breath, and she's like kicking me in my back. So I'm like, go to sleep. Everybody, first of all, Remy never even breathed. Remy was just like this in the bed, like, we're not supposed to be in here. 6 o'clock on a Saturday morning, Tracy?
I think I'm doing good because some people are complaining about 4 a.m. So I think I'm doing okay.
Would not be me. Would not be me.
But I've always had a problem with Stevie and sleeping. You girls know this. Everybody here knows this. I've always had a problem with Stevie and sleep.
So
always.
then that must be my problem.
I'm just saying that I feel like
I told you, I said to you when I was ready to sleep train, I said, bring Stevie over. And you were like, no, I really want with you.
You never said that.
Oh, well, I didn't offer at the time when it was good for me, and it's not good now. Thanks, guys. I see the comment about the color. I'm in my brown era now, okay?
So these outfits that we're wearing are from Shop Evolve. It's the active wear that I put on my story the other day. And if you go and purchase something from Shop Evolve, then can somebody just put them up so I can tag them, please? I can pin them.
You know how to pin anybody?
No, you're gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Then you get 10% off with it when you use a discount code Tricky. And let me tell you something. It's about, I think it's about $6,000 a suit. So one suit is $6,000.
They have good sales too.
And let me tell you something. The quality of this material is so fabulous. It really does suck you in. Jodi, show off yours. You can stand on the pedestal.
So I'm standing on the pedestal. So I have on the tights, and what I find, so the gusset, which is a punky part here. Boy, YouTube is just getting all punky. It's not sewn. Sometimes when people sew pants, they just sew on the panel. So the crochet pants, when you looks like an X. And when your crotch of their pants look like an X, they're going to start pulling down. When you have the gusset, which is like a little oval part sewn into your try and show. When you have the little gusset, here we go. When you have the little gusset that's sewn in here, then you're going to get a better fit, and your pants are not going to slide down on you. So that's just a little tip when you're looking for activewear.
But the quality of these is so good. Anyway, go and check them out. Shop Evolve. They have a couple of different colors. They just got some back. They have some shorts. I wasn't ready for the shorts yet. Maybe I'll get one. It's about $6,000 an outfit, and don't quote me on that because some of the prices go up and down depending on the outfit that you want. And if you use Tricky as your discount code, you get 10% off up till December 31st.
Using the code what?
Discount code Tricky. TRICKY, and you also get some free goodies while stocks last. By the way, I want you guys to know that I found this brand, and I'm not being paid to endorse it. It's just that I really.
The blue one looked really good on you. Tracy posted a video and she was in the airport in the blue one. It looked really good. But Lisa too. Lisa now is locked down to this brand, and she's ordered a couple. Friday, Lisa?
Yeah, because I told her about it.
No, you did not. I surely did.
I told Lisa.
Okay. Hi Ali and Tricky don't care. Oh, Shop Evolve is here. Use code Tricky to get 10% off plus free socks.
And the socks are so cute. They're really cute ankle socks.
So how I didn't get anything?
You did.
I got socks?
Yes,
you stole my socks.
So
I wear socks to bed.
That means it. Okay, Filipino. Apparently Filipinos like to wear socks to bed. And Jodi found out this fun fact the other day.
And I was like, whoa, did you know that Filipinos like to wear socks to bed?
And I was like, all of them? All of them. Or just like a couple that you spoke to.
Just a couple. You guys look alike today. By the way, hello, first in my life. Yeah, because like, she stole my hairstyle. Anyway, so we're here at the live store.
I was saying that I was getting into like a different era of my life where I'm feeling a little bit more freedom to do what I want. And like my husband and I have been traveling a little bit more to spend more time together. And I'm doing a little bit more stuff for myself, right? This is why I decided on the cavitation and the build a Batty at the Okra and Body Studio. And then I've been taking collagen in my coffee.
I keep forgetting to take mine. It tastes terrible in coffee. I don't care what you and Drew want to say. I don't like it in coffee. I
Do you
mix
put
it
milk
in.
in your coffee?
No,
Or you just drink your coffee black?
with a little artificial sweetener.
Okay, well they have a creamer then.
They do?
Yes.
Okay,
this
that
brand
would
has a
probably better.
creamer.
But I mix the powder because you bought me the big powder from here, and I mix it in my kefir, and I don't taste it.
Okay. So I just put I put a tablespoon of this in my coffee. I mix my coffee with oat milk. But if you like cream in your coffee, there is a creamer by this brand. It is called Vital Protein, sorry. And I really
And this is like a tried and proven brand. So if you come down to the live store, you're gonna find something. You want your vitamins, somebody mentioned earlier, melatonin for sleep, all of that stuff, you can get it here.
And the brands that they sell here are usually the brands that
you would prefer to buy. And I think if you popped in and took a look, you would be pleasantly surprised to be like, they have that here? So you have, you also have a lot of, not natural, but yes, natural brands, local brands here as well. So we just wanted to highlight a few products. So it's Christmas time. So for those people who need, just a little extra, relief of, Tracy likes to do microdosing.
Love it.
So instead of the Xanax, she was having issues.
Anxiety,
what was the issue again?
Anxiety, and I was dealing with lots of postpartum depression and postpartum anxiety, and this helped me a lot. But I mean, I'm gonna go back on it. I'm actually buying this thing to go back on it because the Christmas season really brings on a lot for me. I feel like this.
Okay, so like if you don't have everybody has anxiety. If you need a little bit more, if you're dreading Christmas Day dinner with somebody in particular, we have the chocolate.
Okay, but just do one square.
Or you're kind of afraid, you don't know what to do. Strictly cookies. You're kind of afraid, you don't know what to do. You can take a social dose. So this is already dosed out for you. I take, if I was to social dose, I would take 3/4 of this. So you can get your Patu social dose, guys. Recommended highly. I giggled highly. That's a good one, right? Yes. Highly. Coming together.
Okay.
Highly recommended. Okay. So you can get your social dose. Natalie says love those social doses. So definitely, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm definitely gonna get a bar for the Christmas season just to kind of like, you have so many family gatherings and you have so much people at those.
Yeah, so you don't really need to. They need a social. Okay, so then this is a brand that I really love. It's called Swipes, SWYPZ, and this is a Jamaican brand.
Wet wipes. Yeah,
wet wipes.
Explain what it is.
A Jamaican brand of wet wipes, and they come scented. They come in bigger packs than these, but these are the packs that you can just slip into your handbag. And I want to tell you something about Swipes. They don't go dry. Like I keep my wet wipes in my car, and these ones, like
I think it's because of the packaging, the aluminum packaging.
Girl, I don't know what it is, but they don't dry out. So I love to keep them in my little handbag. Sometimes, when you're traveling with Stevie and she starts to get mucky, and then you're just smelling bad at the airport, I just wipe her up. And this one is a pumpkin spice scent, and this is a spring orchid.
So you like your daughter to smell like a little pumpkin spice in the airport because she got smelly?
It's better than
How does she get smelly? Kids get smelly.
I don't know. She smells like Play-Doh and...
So hold on. Dina Dior, she says, please pin for us. We need to know more about the social dose because I have to take a Xanax. So whatever your ailment is, Tracy had postpartum really, really, really bad. She's told her story on the show before. It was terrible. And the doctor had prescribed Xanax to her to kind
and
of
some other antidepressants.
Yeah, so she was having a time. But and she was very open with it on one of the shows because we do realize that there are people that may need a little bit of help or need some guidance, and we look up to these social media influencers and all they want to show us is buy this hair, it's great. But Tracy kind of opened up and told her story about her postpartum.
So nice to me today.
I need a nice Christmas present. I know what I want.
Whoa.
So she was like, Tracy sometimes she's on this little natural vibe. And she's like, I don't want to be taking this Xanax. So she found the Patu, the psilocybin mushrooms in a microdose. And this
when you buy it in the tin,
you get a social dose. So it's two different things. It's not going to make you high immediately.
So I want to explain. So the microdose, you take once a day for 30 days and then you break for 2 days and then you can start the process again. And that is what I took for my depression and my anxiety. And
She was much better to be around.
Really helped me. You know it works when Nana looks at me and goes, darling, are you still taking your medication? And I was like,
need it.
So this social dose now is more like...
is that Patu? Yes, Kimmy.
Yes, it's Kimmy. It's more like if you're going to a party. I've never taken this social dose before. I've never done it before.
You are missing out.
I really can't speak to it. I've never taken the social dose before. So...
Highly recommend.
But and that the social dose is not what you would take for your on a daily basis. It's a microdosing. So anyway,
okay,
let's go on to some other products.
So like I was talking about your like to be natural and stuff like that. So you know I'm always like fighting with my underarm and what works. So this clay dry is what I've been using recently. The clay dry. Here we go. And this is. Isn't this is
Zion Health?
Yeah, Zion Health. Isn't this a Jamaican brand?
No, it's not a Jamaican brand. But
it's all over the place in Jamaica. But I just think that this, you know why I keep straying from the clay dry? The packaging is so boring. But now we found a little one. You know? I mean, but you need a lot of deodorant, so this is not right for you.
So you can just have this in your handbag because some people do need reapplications throughout the day. And it comes in different scents. So I got Scott the sandalwood scent because he likes to be a natural man too.
I just got fragrance free because I find your underarm has enough going on over there.
I've been using peppermint.
You got peppermint? Where did you find peppermint?
It's outside.
Oh. So you can check out the clay dry. This is one that we recommend highly. We've spoken about them on the show before. And it really does work. And hold on, just taking a sip of another Jamaican brand here. That highly recommend. Lady B. My favorite local brand.
Why you sound so thirsty though?
Because it's Lady B and this one tastes really good. We're in our Christmas flavors over at Lady B Mixology and this is the apple haze. This one is really good. You just had your cavitation.
No, I can't drink it right
Can't
now.
drink, alright.
So anyway, how did you guys do over this weekend? I had such a good weekend. I was invited to the... You didn't come.
Because Tracy, you left me with your child.
She loves you. Auntie Jodi. Anyway, and so I went to a Christmas party. And then I left there and I went to another Christmas party. That was at the newest speakeasy in Kingston. Lucky B introduced us to the newest speakeasy in Kingston. Lucky B, am I allowed to boss everybody on the latest speakeasy? It was really amazing. It was actually
So hold on, you just decided to park your child at my house and you went all over the town. You were supposed to go to one place.
Had a time. We didn't get home till 4 a.m.
So if you're hungover, one of my recommendations would be to drink a beer and just start all over again. However, if that's not your vibe, then you can take some. Then you can try some what do you call it? Electrolytes? Some is that an electrolyte? Yes, it says it right there. So you take some electrolytes and you just put these in your water. It makes your water taste so much better too. I have the lemon lime flavor. This one is raspberry salt. So you just drop this in your water and you just drink it.
So for more guidance on the
Are you gonna buy that?
What?
Are you gonna buy the mushrooms?
Yes, I am.
Okay, open it and show them a capsule.
Oh.
And go. Alright, we're gonna talk about the mushrooms a little bit more. The psilocybin mushrooms do not make you high.
Well, let's wait for Natalie to come in the room because Natalie is going to show us some cavitation.
Okay.
And so when Natalie comes in the room, then
Cavitation
she can
just
talk
sounds.
about
We need like a more like bougie name.
steamed fish and okra body.
Ooh, rasclate.
What is this? A steamed fish and okra body studio?
Yes. We're at the Steamfish and Aquabody studio preparing for the Christmas season because we don't like to work out, we're too lazy.
Up at St. Andrew.
So yes, we're going to just rub some things on us and then boom bam wham. Highly recommended. Okay, so I saw a TikToker. She was just diagnosed with PCOS and I know that's
terrible.
I know it's a big problem with our Jamaican women. So here at the live store, we have PCOS reversal tea.
If you can get your hands on this, anybody with PCOS, please do, because some of those PCOS symptoms as the disease starts to amplify in your body, oh my gosh, the hair growth is terrible. I've been watching those TikTok videos and you see those PCOS hair growth.
So we have the tea hair, and there's different brands of the tea, and there's a couple different things that you can do. And then of course, you know, if I'm going to talk about PCOS or any of these natural remedies, I have to talk about my girl, the cosmic woman, who can always guide you and help you into what you need or what you can do. She helped me get an on-time pregnancy with Remy, the cosmic woman Ramona, and she has her tea. What is it? What does she have here?
This is a hormonal tea. This hormonal tea blend is crafted to balance hormonal levels, regulating symptoms such as mood swings, weight gains, fat between shoulders, weight loss, fatigue, muscle tenderness, stiff pain, swelling, joints.
Swelling? If you have any swelling.
And improve sex drive. Well, according to
okay. All right. And then, you know,
Jodi was also having some hormonal acne the other day.
Yeah. Okay.
So that tea can help you.
Alright, so after I drink my tea and I up my sex drive, you know, say I'm gonna need to soothe up a thing. You know, Christmas season, you just riding a lot. So this one is the Soothing Lavender Vulva Cream. Woo, with a little bit, spice me up with mint, coconut oil, and lavender, calming lavender. And this is from the Honey Pot. I'm sure if you guys have been in Target, you have seen this brand. So it's here at the live store. So if you plan to do any activities this Christmas, you may need to just
I also want to say, if you want to go local with a local brand, that Jacana also has a very nice punky spice cream as well. Their lube, the Jacana.
Yeah, but this is not a lube.
Oh, what is
You
this?
need the lube before, then you need the vulva cream after. It's the aftercare. It's the aftercare.
Wait, I didn't know about this.
Exactly, because you don't ride hard enough. You must push yourself. That's right. That's right. You're not doing it right. If you don't need a vulva cream, you need to
I've needed it. I've needed it badly.
Yeah.
So I've just been suffering without it.
Oh, you just iced. Give us a Ziploc with some ice.
No, girl, I have the ice pack.
Show your gusset on ice.
I've been icing my gusset for a long time.
You've been icing your gusset because I know you have some. So I honestly think that if you're not sure what's wrong with you, you know you need something, you want to shop, you don't want to shop, or you need something, you just need or what? Come on down to the live store. There's something. There's something. Yes, you have to ice your gusset. Oh, I'm turning up here. Okay. Oh, okay. So now, we have my favorite. I was a little scaly too. Need to oil down. Let me get some body oils outside. Okay, so one of my favorite local brands is Rachel Lane. She just kind of gets it. She mixes her smells. Rachel Lane would be the body product of Lady B. You know, Lady B just gets the taste right. Rachel Lane gets the smelling stuff right.
You know, I'm gonna have to say that I also like Live Simple, and you know that though. That's
true.
my brand. That's my
true.
brand too.
And there's Live Simple hair as well.
Live Simple hair as well.
And I use Live Simple. Lisa use it every day to moisturize my hands.
So I think that.
Did you bring any Live Simple?
No.
We have Live Simple outside.
Live Simple is outside.
But this is like a Christmas flavor.
But I think that Rachel Lane does more fantasy flavors, where Live Simple does more like organic type scents. You know,
Fantasy
like they would be the
flavors.
Aveda.
So
of
this
the
would be a
local
good
Aveda.
team up.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Light a candle, sing a songy, find your way back home. You know? What do we have here?
And this is the last thing that we have in our little bag of things that we want
to show. Okay.
to show. And this is a kojic acid dark spot serum. So, Jodi had some scars, and she had been working on them for years with like all of these super expensive creams. I mean, Jodi was buying creams that like it was $100.
The Biocurnum.
Yeah.
So I had, and right here after I did my lift and augment my boobs, right here, when I came home and I was healing, I was bathing Remy and I reached for the shampoo and I have like keloid right here. I felt it, you know, when I reached for the shampoo, I felt it open. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I've been rubbing the biocarnium. I was also rubbing a few other things. Anyway, I started recently with kojic acid serum and I wasn't able to get at, I went to a local pharmacy.
So this is
this one here.
This is a Jamaican brand. It's called Zippora. Zippora has also been on our show before. They have shampoo, conditioner, and a
Shampoo
leave-in.
is so amazing.
The leave-in conditioner spray is what is really,
Really?
bad. Oh my
Never
gosh.
tried that one.
Zippora, and this is their kojic acid dark spot serum. So Jodi used it on her scars from her boob surgery.
I wish I took up before and after.
It was unbelievable.
So I'm going to try find a picture. I was in Carnival in Jamaica Carnival in April, and the same thing, the same scar and the, what you call it, the keloid was red. Like it was the same color burgundy as my costume. And I'm going to take a picture. If I lift it up now, you probably will see a little bit of, you know, we love a nip slip. I'm going to do a before and after, and it is so great. I can now wear fully V-tops because the little scar that you see here, you can't really see it.
So this is it. It's by
Love that for
Zippora.
me.
It's the kojic acid serum. So also you can use it. Kojic acid is there's soaps and stuff outside. There's creams and stuff outside.
So what you really do with the kojic acid
talking.
soap is you just use it.
So then the kojic acid is something that it helps to lighten and brighten the skin. It takes off a lot of bacteria. It removes a lot of bacteria from the skin. So it's very good for acne. It's reasonable.
Wash your booty hole with it.
Wow.
That's what you should do with it.
Wow.
So you lather up your kojic acid soap and you wherever you're washing, but I would suggest your face.
Is this what you've been doing?
Yes, everybody wants a little pink stink. No? That's what you do with kojic acid soap. I've always wondered why the porn stars look like that. They look amazing. I mean, if you're gonna skin out and show your gusset, let them see something to, you know.
So that's what we have today on the show. Goodbye, everybody.
You need kojic acid soap. And have that like, you know, you want a pink stink. You leave it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
That's how you get the most effective.
Okay.
You know? And like you have Trinidad coming up, all of these influencers that are all up in the camera. Because I was wondering, I'm like, you know, Inhale Me, all these girls dancing, and you're like, whoa. First of all, I don't know how this thin swimsuit covers everything. Lips,
Yes,
pum pum,
I saw the comments under my I could not stop laughing what the man said. That poo poo looked like it was upstairs.
So I'm just wondering how they get, and she's dancing and moving and everything is inside, and I'm like, but I'm not seeing any, you know, any booty hole skin. And I'm like, she probably uses kojic acid soap. They're gatekeeping the kojic acid soap. So you froth it up and then you rub and make sure it's nice and white, and you leave it for 2 minutes. So even on your face, if you want to lighten, I was using it on my face too. And then even if you want to lighten some of the spots I was getting from hormonal acne, you froth it up and you leave it under your arms, on the outside of your bottom. Like I just do my whole bottom. So because I want to wear a thong for carnival, so just wash with the kojic acid soap and you leave it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
You gonna try that now?
I definitely am. I'm not leaving here today without my kojic acid.
Well, that's why last week I should have been the one a little skinny. I was prepared to wear a floss.
But you wanted the brown because brown is a new color.
I do, but so the option that I had on was the frontline bra with the midline panty. I could have done a frontline panty. I was prepared. Yep.
Fresh wax.
Pink stink.
Yep. That's you, girl. That is you.
Not me looking for my drink back here.
Anyway, let us call Natalie in here
Okay,
to show us.
so now we're going to talk. So Natalie is going to tell us a little bit more about the mushrooms because we have some questions on that. And also, we are going to do some... We're going to find a new name for this because I don't like the name cavitation. Like it sounds like Natalie's about to like dig out a cavity out of your mouth.
Yeah, she's not a dentist. She's
not a dentist.
Steamfish and
Upper body studio specialist. Okay.
Steamfish and upper body specialist.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we know she's listening. Natalie! Oh, Natalie!
I can't manage to do you. I'm
Do you use kojic acid soap?
on my booty hole?
Okay.
Listen to me that the two of you are out there cracking up.
Okay, so hold on. First of all, we want to talk about this, but let's find like a nice little talking space because I have a lot of questions about the mushrooms.
Yes, I saw, and that's very exciting to me.
So lie down, Trey. Okay.
Lie down, Trey.
Okay, here we go.
I know, and I hate the word cavitation.
I know, I hate it. Alright, everybody, so this is Natalie Murray. Here is our steamed fish and okra body giver. Right here. So we need it to get your badge.
Oh, yeah.
And right now, so why are you lying down this way?
You told me to lie down.
Oh, okay. All right. So, but Natalie, first let's address the
mushrooms.
because I think people think that when you take when you take the psilocybin microdosing mushrooms, say that 4 times straight.
Right.
I think people think that you're going to get high and you're walking around high.
Absolutely not. Let me tell you what, psilocybin, when you microdose, so microdosing, when you take a social dose, you're taking about 0.7 to a gram of mushrooms. That's going to make you feel like you've had quite a few drinks.
This is
giddy,
a social dose.
Laughing, happy. When you take a microdose, you're doing less than 0.1 of a gram.
Right.
Less than 0.1. There's no feeling of high. It is so subtle. You may even go, I didn't feel any different.
Okay.
But then the subtle changes come in. You feel smarter, you feel more eloquent.
Oh, let me take 2.
No, 1. Your problem solving skills and creativity skills improve. Like it's wild.
So is it similar to when people are taking ashwagandha, but this is more intense?
So ashwagandha is also called Indian ginseng. It's really good for stress and relaxation. It's not the microdosing is not necessarily good for stress and relaxation. What it does is it helps you form, not to get too technical,
it helps you sure you can't get to these,
form new neural pathways. So
right.
it kind of cleans the brain, expands the brain. These are my words, right? So it really is expansive in creativity and thought and things like that. But really important that you don't take it every day. So you do it like 2 days on, 2 days off, or 3 days on, 2 days off.
Thank goodness you came in here, Tracy's like 30 days and you're good. 30 days, everybody. 30 days. It's like a Netflix thing, 30 days. Okay, so this is how one of them look. So it's a regular capsule. We can do this. Come on. Yeah, this is easy. So you do like a couple days on, a couple days off.
Yeah.
And then it comes with a social dose. So you get this cute little tin too.
I love their packaging.
Yeah, their packaging is so nice. So Tracy's buying we open this because Tracy's buying this because this is, she likes her.
They also have
She's
gummies.
going to give me this.
They have gummies.
So how many gummies would you say to take?
I would do 2 gummies.
2 gummies?
That's what I
As a social dose.
As a social dose, yeah. Not a microdose.
Yeah. Right.
Social dose, yeah.
And I see that they have honey out there as well.
So that's a microdose. The honey is a microdose. And you can put that
So
in
you can
tea.
sneak that into grandma and be like, grandma is being too much. Just give her some honey in our tea.
Exactly.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
Poor
How
granny.
much is that packet? So when we're talking about the tin, this tin is $6,000 plus. You get how many capsules? 4 days. It says 4 days on, 3 days off, Tracy.
So and that's fine too. 4 days on, 3 days off. You just can't take it every day.
So we have a 1 month
every
supply and a social dose for $6,000 plus. So don't listen to Tracy. It's not every day. You need to take a break.
Take a break.
And so check out the live store. They also have the gummies as well. They have the honey. They have so Tracy will do the psilocybin microdosing. I'll be on the social dose. We got those here too at the live store. And now Tracy is going to check out some
Cavitation. I want to talk about the cavitation.
Can you say fat melting?
Fat melting.
That sounds way better.
By the way, I love that color on you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is that the same this?
Yes.
I need to get
Shop
myself
Evolve.
one. No,
Yeah.
seriously.
Their colors are nice and bright.
And the fabric feels, you guys can't see what it feels like. but
And
it
we have the
feels awesome.
gusset. You need the
Yeah, the
gusset.
coochie is not.
Right. Once you have your tights just meeting at like a
By the
four-way,
way,
they're gonna slide down.
I didn't know, and call me stupid and naive, but I didn't know men watch the size of your pum pum through your pants. So.
Whoa.
But I don't understand. It's
I
like
didn't know.
it's
They
kind of
do
weird.
though.
So what? A fat pom pom means that.
I don't know what it means. They just notice. So.
Okay.
And like the other day, I got home from the gym and my boyfriend was like, "Hey, I get out the door." So I'm like, "Out the door. These are tights. This is a panty. It's not out the door, but clearly it was visible." Yeah, I didn't know it was
Tracy's pom
watched.
pom needs space to breathe, according to one commenter from last week.
It needs a room.
Yeah, need liquor room. That's what. Yes, need liquor room.
Well, these carnival costumes don't leave a whole lot.
No, this is why you need the kojic acid soap that just in case you have a little slip,
you know.
I
gotta do that.
Yeah.
But that, when you were saying that, sometimes you get that dark spot under your
Kojic acid soap. So what you do, you go in the bath, water froth,
lather up.
So rough.
2 minutes. Yeah, you just have exfoliation as well. Booty crack. And you count down 2 minutes so you can shave your underarms.
It don't burn?
No.
Okay.
You try not to get it in your chuchu though. Because
Damn.
because sometimes I have to just wash a little water. It doesn't burn, but it's just like.
It's a fine line between
those two.
spaces.
You never been with carbolic?
No.
You've never been with carbolic?
No.
That's how it feels.
What I'm missing?
It's a little bit too much of a clean, Carbolic clean is very like a squeaky clean,
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's talk about cavitation.
So when you come for your appointment with Natalie or Kadian at the Body by TLS, which is this place, right? It is located in Town Center on Constant Spring Road. So Natalie is going to send you a whole heap of forms before, and you have to fill all of them up. Pretty much she just wants to know, do you have any... There's some stuff, like I think there was a problem if you had a
copper IUD,
then you can't do some of the fat melting. Can you do the U-sculpt if you have the copper IUD?
No, nothing to do with that. But, not that I'm advocating pregnancies or anything, but quite a few of my clients go to their gynecologist, take it out for the 3 weeks that we're working on you, and then put it back in after. You just got to be safe. And it's in between times. So.
Yeah. You can have a copper IUD, and there was some other things that she just wants to make sure that, it's not going to interfere with it, some other...
Wellness things.
Yeah, wellness things.
Yeah.
So you have to
make
fill
sure
out
you're
these
healthy.
fill out these 2 forms, and also you can't drink alcohol afterwards. Not recommended.
We want the liver, because we're using the liver in the whole process, because you're going to be, when we destroy the fat cells, your body stores toxins in your fat. So your lymphatic system has to get rid of all of that. So if you're drinking...
Liver is so overrated.
Don't listen to Jodi, it's not overrated. But if you're drinking and doing drugs and taking Advil and aspirin and you get clogging up the liver, and then I go push all this other stuff in there, you just run the risk of overloading, and then you don't want that. So we just want to take time with the liver. So no alcohol, no recreational drugs, a couple of days before, a couple of days after, give your body a nice clean go.
Yeah. And then pretty much that's it. There's no dietary restrictions, nothing like that. So then you come in here and Natalie gives you a paper panty and bra.
Very sexy.
Super sexy. And then we start working on the body. So usually you would just be in your paper panty and bra alone. But the paper panty and bra, I cannot put it on camera. It's a little bit too tiny. It's a little bit
You already had your pum pum out last week. So it's like a every other week thing. You know?
Right.
You know when you take your psilocybin on and off?
Right.
So you can't...
Tracy's pum pum features.
Right? So,
I just manage.
It's a rough ride, but I have the thing after the little loop.
Yes. Yeah, vulva cream.
Vulva cream. Right. So, we're going to pretend that I am in my paper panty and bra, right? And Natalie is going to come and show us about the cavitation machine.
Right.
So, why is this machine so... What makes this machine better than any other cavitation machine that has come before?
Basically the strength of it. So a lot of the machines that are around and about on the market they're not strong enough to actually destroy the fat cells. So you may get some fat reservoir reduction, or you may also get some water reduction from the area, but you're not getting that absolute destruction of fat cells that you're getting with this, right? So we're not going deep enough to interfere with any organs or anything like that, but we are going deep enough to basically destroy fat cells. Think about a balloon and you blowing air into it, and then letting that air out. That is an exercise, that is lymphatic drainage massage, that's going to empty that cell reservoir. Cavitation pops that balloon so you can't blow air back up into it again. It's gone. No more fat to come back.
So let me ask you something. sometimes, you know, when you do liposuction, because we're getting rid of the fat cells, right? Sometimes when you do liposuction, I've seen with people that they get lumpy afterwards. Is that a possibility for us to?
No, actually, that's one of the things that I love about this is that's called fibrosis, right, or scarring, and that's because you've got like this straw-like thing juking out the fat out your insides. This actually can help if you've had lipo and you've got that fibrosis. This can actually help to smooth it out.
Okay.
Which is awesome. Smooth it out and tighten up the skin.
Why are you less sitting back up?
Because I just
Pass me one of those little towels. I don't want to
I'm the assistant
mess up.
today.
Thank you so much. I don't want to mess up your pretty thing, so I'm gonna cover you up with this. So.
Oh yes. So you guys, after we did our first, I know you guys think I'm being crazy, right? But I do have a little back fat. It really did bother me, and I don't really see it
leaves the room
anymore.
last
I'm
when you're
not.
walking out.
It's right before the booty goes shaking.
Jiggles. Nice. So anyways, after we did it last time, I lost a total of 1 inch off of my thighs. After that,
You measured?
Yeah.
and we're measuring again today.
Yeah, we're gonna measure today.
Well, if we're talking thighs, I'm interested.
Yeah,
Like
right,
my thighs
just
have gotten
right here.
very slim. And then, you know, so I said to Natalie, I was like, Natalie, can you just look at my body, because I feel like one of my thighs is bigger than the other, because when I'm bathing, I feel like this one, I'm rubbing a little more. Am I being crazy? And she was just like, it's very minute, Tracy, but I see it. And I was like, okay. So she's been just rubbing one of my thighs,
One
an
extra.
And so I feel like I'm evening out.
Yeah.
Because I have like,
You know where it's really uneven? Your brain.
Anyway, so let's show them.
Poor you. Oh gosh, you guys crack me up. Alright, so I tuck it in with a towel when you're having the paper panty, just so that, you know, I can make a little more space. Like that. So we're doing, what are we showing? The back?
Yeah.
Let me show Tommy now.
Yeah.
Because Tommy people can maybe see what
Oh, yes, because you know what? Guess what?
What?
I wanted to
That
ask.
ugly pants you really wear, come here?
But, God almighty. Nobody's seeing the
It's
panty.
a lace panty by Victoria's Secret. It might be old, but you know, it's just a threads. It's well loved.
I have on a lace panty, baby.
Right?
Yeah, but I'm hoping that you don't have the threads hanging off of it. Her lace is no.
Anyway, so is it skin tightening as well? Because I noticed after
Yeah.
my baby, like, my skin just got looser.
So this one does skin tightening. See how it's got the ridges?
Yeah.
Little ridges? That's called radio frequency. So that tightens up the skin. And this one is the cavitation. See how it's smooth?
Right.
Right, so this one is the one that melts the fat. I know, I'm sorry. I didn't give it the name cavitation. It just came
Horrible.
with that name. It's a horrible name.
So now let me ask you something. I was reading up on the machine and it
Girl, you got a extra large lube. Just like me.
That's right.
so you can actually use this machine instead of doing Botox.
Talk to me.
So I do use it on people's faces.
On your chin.
Chin and neck. I don't know if you would use it instead of Botox. Well, you certainly can't do it and Botox because you'll destroy the Botox that you put in.
Yeah.
But you can use it to tighten up the skin and stimulate the collagen, and then you could do the Botox to take out the wrinkles.
Right.
Yeah.
So stimulating collagen is very important. We were talking
Very
about that
important.
earlier. I noticed that my face has gotten slimmer as I've gotten older. Is that because of a
You're
lack of
losing
collagen?
collagen, yeah.
So do you have like when your clients come in, do you take before and afters?
Yes.
So do you have this on your page?
Yes.
And are you live store too? You got
No.
back your page?
So we got back the original page. So the
Yeah.
original
Oh,
page
thank
is
God.
the Life Store.
Okay.
JA. But Body by TLS, because it's such a specific service, we actually have our own Instagram page.
Tell me what it is.
Body
Oh yeah.
by TLS. And TLS is the Life Store. It was abundantly clear to me. It's not abundantly clear to everybody else. So I'm starting with an abdominal massage to open up your lymphatic system.
Okay.
So we do that for that's why I was rubbing
Yeah.
Tracy's inner thighs, and I was like,
Oh.
don't get all happy on me, Tracy. I'm just opening up your lymphatic system here.
So so Court Marie, I hear what you're saying, girl. I hear what you're saying. We just cussed off Tracy for this already. So we're saying that
We're just
Tracy,
demoing on Tracy.
right, but also too, Tracy may have some little insecurities that she's able to work on, and she's seeing her difference and stuff, which is great. But I think we can head on over to your Instagram page to see before and afters of somebody who maybe has just a slight little bit more fat or things that we can really see. Because you're okay. That thing is really greasy, isn't it?
It is really greasy.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I turn on the machine or is
Yeah,
it
no,
too
turn it
loud?
on.
Okay.
You know, I'm glad that Courtney brought this up because, like, sometimes I feel that it's only people that, like, are bigger that feel that they are able to do such services, you know, and it is people of all sizes, no matter what their true insecurity is, you can come and deal with it. Like, you don't have to be any particular size.
Right.
No. But I mean, I do try to be like reasonable and responsible with people.
Right.
If you don't have any fat, you don't have any fat. Right? But then maybe you need skin tightening.
Yeah.
You know, or maybe you need the muscle stimulation that's going to make the abs pop.
Yeah.
Because that's the thing we do too. So when I put this on you, you're going to hear a little sound in your head. I don't hear it. So. You hear it?
But she has sounds in her head all the time. Maybe voices. Are you feeling any pain? What's you feeling?
No, I just hear like
A metallic sound.
Yeah, in my head.
So this one, what you said this one is? This one
This is
is
cavitation.
fat.
Yeah. So we actually worked on the fat melting. We actually
Right,
worked
fat
on Tracy's on the back of Tracy and on her inner thighs with this.
Right.
So how many sessions do I have to do, and how many sessions do I have to do? Do I have to do them in a certain amount of time for it to work? How does it work?
So we normally space them at least 3 weeks apart. She doesn't have a lot of space for me to work with here, so every time I turn it, I'm hitting a bone. We normally space them 3 days to a week apart. What was the other question?
We spend 3 days to a week apart, and how many sessions do you have to do?
We normally do about 3 sessions per body part. So a body part is, I'll turn this off when it's loud. A body part is your abdominal 360. So we do flanks, tummy, and love handles and bra rolls. So all of that is an abdominal 360.
So do you do packages?
Yes.
Yeah? So you do packages
You
and...
can do packages. You can mix and match, or you can do 3 of the same body part. Then we do inner thigh paired with the back of the thigh. That's one package. Then we do outer thigh.
No, you recommend more than 1 session.
Yeah,
How many sessions do you recommend? 3. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna want 3 sessions, especially on the thighs because they're big. Not yours, but they're big. Thighs are almost as big as your waist.
Yeah.
You know, truthfully. So we pair the inner thigh and the front of the thigh, the outer thigh and the back of the thigh. Those are 2 separate. So if you want to do the full thigh, you're gonna need 6 sessions.
So the cost would be dependent on what area you want to work, and then
we do.
you have gift
arms.
certificates because it's Christmas time.
Can do there too.
Don't bother shake up her fat because she's gonna like, oh my god, Natalie's I need to go back.
Natalie actually told me when I first came here, she said, you just need to go to the gym. Natalie was like, just go to the gym.
We absolutely do have gift certificates, yeah, for sure. For sure.
Is this the fat hair that's come off?
That's melting. No, that's the cream.
Okay.
Let's clean you up.
So what do you need the cream for? Just for the machine?
It makes the machine glide over, and it also penetrates and helps to stimulate collagen as well. But it would burn because it gets warm as we go.
Okay.
It would burn.
Okay.
If
So it's like a special thing where you can use some
is.
KY on there?
No, this is like fancy schmancy
Wait, don't
cream.
pull it up yet. Rub this in.
This is like fancy schmancy cream. Not KY. Please.
Rub a little moisturization.
Yeah, rub.
So does this help with like cellulite on the back of the legs as well?
So the RF, radio frequency, will help to smooth out the skin and tighten and lift and reduce the appearance of cellulite. But early in the new year, may I get one next machine that obliterates cellulite.
Okay, can I book a appointment?
Yeah, man, for sure.
Okay.
And did I tell you how Jodi came in here the other day and said, "Can I get bottom?"
Yeah, so I hear bottom in here selling. The ladies outside were like, well, we know she's crazy, but how much would you like to buy per pound? So yeah, bottom come in here silly. So the other thing Tracy was doing, the builder bottom. Let's talk about that. But that machine is a little loud, so we weren't able to.
No, it's very loud.
So flip over, Tracy.
Well, we're gonna.
I don't know what's flatter, your front or your batty.
No, my front, because guys, it's been building. So I have B-roll footage of this to put in of the machine on my bottom. Right?
It's actually really cute.
And then it comes.
Oh yes, look. We got a little.
Yeah, she's getting moody.
Yeah, look alive. Aye, Trey. Oh, okay.
How much did it jiggle?
But you can use a U-sculpt on your bottom.
Yeah,
You can use it on your abs.
arms, even your back and calves. You know, there are these guys that are in the gym always and they can never grow calves.
They just need an implant. They need something going on back there because I don't care how much time you want a calf raise. Nothing happening for you.
You got this big old chest and these little bird legs. Yeah, we can help with the calves.
So what does the machine do? When I put it on me and I put it on my booty, it feels like I'm being electrocuted, and then all of a sudden it goes bam, 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 and I'm like, oh my gosh, it feels like I need to hammer in my body.
Wow! Yeah, hammer the bottom. That's why you need a pink stink if you're gonna hammer that booty hole. That's how it works. Tandem.
We're facing her.
Roll up the limo window.
Right?
Just saying.
So your muscles, they actually don't know the difference between whether you are stimulating their growth by putting a weight on, like weighting and squats, right? Versus putting an electrical stimulation on them. So you're getting the same effect. You're getting the aesthetic improvement, you're getting the endurance and the strength. So women who have diastasis recti, it can help to heal that.
Oh.
Yeah. If you can't, see, you have bad knees and can't squat, but we want booty.
Yeah.
We can booty and hamstrings you.
Yeah.
Can go on the quads.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Because I've heard a couple years ago there was a machine, like there's a gym, and you put on this jacket, and the jacket basically you are getting your workout, like how many calories, and it's the same theory, but it's an all over body thing, and it was like this big deal, and you know I don't think it took off because it's just so
really expensive.
Yeah, it would be really expensive to do the whole body. Then you can only have so many jackets per class. So this is kind of like the same thing with the I don't want to say electrocution, with the electrode probes
Of the muscles.
Yeah.
But to help out with diastasis recti, that is crazy.
Massive, a big deal. Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure you girls remember we were talking about this. You guys out there remember us talking about this because Jodi had diastasis recti, and we actually had a couple of shows with Dr. Dawes came and spoke about it. And it's been something Jodi struggled with in the past. She's now part of the flat belly community, you know. Welcome. Natalie and I welcome you. But yes,
I can't do it because I have a hernia.
Oh, can't do. Oh, you
The
can't.
EMS.
Oh,
Yeah.
I had a hernia too. I had a hernia. I had separation.
Let me tell you, I want to do it so bad that I'm gonna go fix my hernia in the new year so that I can do it.
Yeah.
Because I work out. Like, so this is not like, okay, fine, you want to be lazy and don't work out, that's fine. But this is not only for, I'm in the gym every day.
Yeah.
5 days a week, right? But I'm a little older and I have 3 kids. So and I eat very well. I do a little too much of this, but hey, we all have our vices. But that's gonna help me get some more muscle definition that I'm just not getting in the gym.
Yeah. You're finding it hard to reach your goals with what you're doing. What happened, Jodi? You need another
Finish.
We should all take a social dose.
And I have clients after this.
Listen, and with that, okay, we're gonna have to link up Natalie for my birthday party.
Yes.
And she's
alright, guys. So we just want to remind you we're here at the Life Store. So you can come on in. You can get your all natural products, local products as well. So you want your kojic acid soap, highly recommended. You want your serum to help with your scar. Well, scars can be anywhere. You want your collagen. You got the collagen powder, and the crema as well, which I need to try the crema. Then you have your patu, your psilocybin gummies. You also have your social doses, highly recommended for the Christmas season. And yes, you have your vulva cream, you know, because you know if you
Oh, and you know, Natalie showed me some nipple cream today that I forgot to put on the show. So for all the new mummies out there, there's a nipple cream.
Yes,
titty cream.
yeah, because it
And
gets really sore.
And there's a nipple soak as well that they have here for all the new mummies. It's Christmas time, right? We're getting older, guys. I don't need a big gift, like something really small.
So you want nipple soak for Christmas?
If I was having problems with my nipples.
So I feel like. So guys, come on down to the live store. Even if you just want to take a little look at what's happening. You know, if you have sore nipples, sore vulva,
Vaginas.
anything at all sore, you can come on in. You need to drink some tea, your PCOS tea, your hormonal tea. So many, like every time I come in here, I'm like, damn, I forgot that there's such a wide array of like natural products.
If you get bloated because of Christmas food and and you're not doing properly, we have stuff for that too.
That is me all day long. When I say full of shit, that is me. Anyway, Natalie, thank you so much. And then you add on to the live store with your body by the live store, TLS. So we can get our fat melting. We can also get our build a booty. So you can
watch out for me, Carnival Day.
We're gonna be like all getting out the way because build a booty Bobby show will be there on the road like look for me my costume. And of course she'll be using her kojic acid, so you know she'll be all over the place like look.
Listen, I have to go here because the two of you.
Natalie, thank you so much.
The two of you.
And it's a new year, so when you make your New Year's revolution, make sure you revolve around the live store to be able to, you know, get your body. Yeah, forget your revolutions.
Yes, you have to get your revolutions in. Yeah. And that's really what I wanted to do here, you know, I wanted to create a space that was complete wellness. Beauty inside and out,
you should serve shots, like green grass shots. What are those grass shots?
We have turmeric and ginger, pineapple,
white rum
shots. You can put white rum in there. I ain't selling no white rum. You can put white rum in there.
I have a cue in the car, you know.
Go on, Anna.
You know, in case you don't need to.
You don't have to ask me twice.
Alright, everybody, all the description will be in the description.
And we'll be adding some little edits into the YouTube.
Oh yes, because Tracy actually did a treatment earlier, so we have a video, and I bet you any money she's taken the video in the wrong format. I'm gonna bet you an entire. Oh, you took the video?
I did it
Either
this
way,
way.
Tracy would have never turned it right. I bet you a social dose. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much, Natalie. Bye, guys.